In this video, I show you how to set aspect ratio in CapCut for PC or laptop. So let's just import a video file first, and then I will show you how to do that. So like for example here, we can drag and drop the video file. You can see in the timeline here. And then all you have to do is go here, ratio. Then you can say custom ratio, and you can set your custom ratio by typing in here the numbers you want to have. And you can choose as well frame rate, like 60 frame per second. That's what I always do in my videos, to have a smooth like transition and everything smooth going on. You can save that. But anyways, if you don't want a custom, if you need, for example, for YouTube, it will be 16:9. You can click 16:9. And then this is the aspect ratio you want to have for YouTube. If you want a ratio, for example, for Instagram, Shorts, Reels, TikTok, it's a 9:16. You can see here. And you can then take the video and then basically like zoom in what you want in the video to appear when you have that aspect ratio. But this is how you set the aspect ratio. Here we can see we now set this aspect ratio to a YouTube video. So now I have basically to see how it will look like this, and just expand a little bit like that. And this is now the aspect ratio for a YouTube video. When I export it now, it will be 16:9. So as simple as that. Here you can set the aspect ratio in CapCut.